Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 6 of me knitting on, I'm sitting on it, on the Flurry cardigan by Ula Knitwear. I finished the body, as you guys know, and now it's time to steek. Oh, actually, I need to weave in these ends, but it is time to steek. I just finished rewatching the steeking videos that I saved to my watch later on YouTube so that I can refresh my memory, and my memory has been refreshed, okay? I have the tools that I'll be using for this steeking. So I'm gonna use the white yarn, which is the contrast color in this cardigan, because I want to save my green for my ribbing. So I think this is perfect to use. I have my crochet hook here. It's my Furls crochet hook. If you guys are here for my crochet era, you know that Furls is my favorite crochet hook brand. And I also have my scissors, and all of these things are going to help with this steeking. It is so scary, but watching these videos, I'm like, oh, that's so easy. Oh, that's so easy. I got that. So let's start. Since I'm doing a crochet method, I'm going to slip stitch, use my crochet hook and slip stitch these two stitches together. So this leg of the white and the green, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And it'll open up this white stitch so I can just easily cut right through it and it won't unravel, hopefully. So let's see how things go. Alright guys, I have officially finished reinforcing one side. It may be hard to see because I used white, but this bumpy ridge here is where I crocheted, and now, if I open it up, I have to crochet this next leg with this green one so that it can open up just like that. So let's keep on reinforcing. Guys, it is done. The reinforcement is finished, and now it's time to pull this apart and cut these lines here. Oh my god, that is so scary. What if that's not where I'm supposed to cut? What if it unravels? If it unravels, well, good riddance. It was fun knitting. So I'm gonna cut along that line, and I'm gonna cross my fingers. The first cut. Oh my god, I'm looking at the sides and I'm just like, how is this not going to unravel? These things look like they're about to pop out. Okay, you know what? I'm just not gonna look at it too deeply. You know, I'm just gonna do my ribbing and hope that that reinforces it even more as well. Okay, so we're not gonna look at this. We're just gonna accept the fact that, oh my god, I forgot to do a before before steeking. Whatever. Here it is, open like a cardigan that it is. Okay, well, that's it. It's still scary and I'm still afraid that it's going to unravel if I move it around too much, so I'm going to hurry up and do my ribbing for it. Okay guys, I have finished one button band here. This is the button band that will have the buttons on them. And now time to start the second button band. And that one will have the buttonholes, and then I'll have a little ribbing collar moment. And then I'll be done. I can definitely finish this today, which means I would have finished this cardigan in 6 days. That's crazy. But not really, it's bulky weight yarn, so. Anyway, that's it for now. Hello guys, it's the next morning. Happy New Year. Yay. I finished. I did this button band and this button band and the neck or the collar area. So this is officially finished. Awesome. I do not ever want to steek ever again. The experience of steeking felt weird. Why am I cutting into my work, you know? The after effects of steeking, I don't like it. Okay, the way this folded inward for me to have my ribbing, beautiful, amazing. This is what's left of what I cut. What I don't like is that some parts began collapsing. I had to like tie things here. There was a part that, like a stitch that came out here that I had to tie down. And then also when I thought I was far enough, like far back enough on here where I could pick up my stitches for the button band. Apparently I wasn't, and I started going in and the steeked edge just started unraveling. So there was another collapsing section, not here, but around here. Yeah, so all in all, steeking 0 out of 10. Do not want to do again. But the outcome of it, it looks really good. Let me throw it on. Boom, bam. This looks amazing. Wow, this looks really good actually. So here's the button band up close with the collar area. I put stitch markers where the buttonholes are. Is it on this side? Yeah. Stitch markers here where the buttonholes are so that I can easily align this and sew the button. I do have the buttons. I think the buttons are a little big, but I'm still gonna use them. I'm gonna sew the buttons here so that I know exactly where to put them. But these are the buttons that I'll be using. Some barrel buttons, just like in the pattern. You can use any buttons, but I think this will go really well with it. Here is how it falls on my waist. Really good. The sleeves, really cool. I do need to block it, so that will be, that's not gonna be a separate video. I don't feel like making another blocking video, but you guys will see this project when I do a roundup of all the sweaters and projects I knitted in 2024. It is now 2025. I need to, I need to get my notebook and wrap up everything. But anyway, that's all that I have for this video. I am going to take a break from posting because I just want to chill and knit. And I started posting these in real time, and it started in, I see why I don't post and edit and film in real time. That's annoying. So I'm gonna take time, like a week, maybe 2, to just knit, chill, film whatever I want to film. But when I'm filming without editing or posting or anything, it feels great because it feels like I'm just going along for a ride. When I'm filming with the intention of posting, oh my gosh, it's very overwhelming and I don't like that. So, drop my scissors. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna work on like a beanie and a colorwork sock. You guys will see that. And yeah, I have some design plans coming later this month. It is January. Coming later this month, and it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. The next project I'll be doing, sweater-wise, will be the key sweater. So you guys will see a series on that. It'll probably be like a 2-week kind of video series because I like to, 2 weeks for me is me taking my time knitting, and I really like that. So 2 weeks to do the sweater. It's a worst away sweater. It won't take that long, but I will let it take that long. And yeah, that's it for now. That's how the project came out. I do not like steeking. I do not want to ever do it again. The outcome is very nice. This is a very nice pattern. Very, like, the steeking part is not what is like, oh, about the pattern. Just steeking in general as a technique, I do not care for. But I love this pattern so much. I highly recommend it. There's a flat version if you do not want to do the steeking version. If you're like, no thank you. My sister did the flat version, so you guys can check that out because she did a series on it as well. And I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that will be. Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a great holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.